Welcome to our analysis of LFWD ReWalk Robotics, a leading innovator in the field of robotic exoskeletons. This groundbreaking technology is designed to assist individuals with lower limb disabilities, enabling them to walk again. The core product, ReWalk Personal 6.0, is a wearable robotic exoskeleton that provides powered hip and knee motion. ReWalk Robotics is on a mission to fundamentally change the health and life experiences of individuals with spinal cord injuries. ReWalk Robotics offers a range of unique features. Its patented technology provides powered hip and knee motion, mimicking a natural gait. The device is customizable, fitting most adults who meet the height and weight requirements. It's also portable, allowing users to take it home. A key feature is its user-friendly interface with easy-to-use controls and a wrist-mounted controller. The device also includes a rechargeable battery, providing a full day of intermittent walking. The cost of a ReWalk Personal 6.0 system can be significant, with prices ranging upwards of $77,000. However, it's important to note that this is a one-time investment for a life-changing piece of technology. Additionally, ReWalk has developed relationships with insurance companies and offers financing options to help manage costs. The price includes training for users to become proficient in the device, as well as maintenance and support. ReWalk Robotics exoskeleton is ideal for individuals with lower limb disabilities, particularly those with spinal cord injuries. It can help them regain mobility and independence. It's also beneficial for rehabilitation centers, offering an innovative tool for therapy. The device can be used in various environments, including homes, workspaces, and even outdoors. However, it requires some degree of upper body strength and balance, as users need to operate crutches for stability. The advantages of ReWalk are numerous. It offers a chance for people with lower limb disabilities to walk again, improving their quality of life and mental well-being. It can also reduce secondary complications associated with long-term wheelchair use, such as pressure sores and cardiovascular disease. The device is customizable, portable, and user-friendly, providing users with freedom and independence. It's a revolutionary tool in the field of rehabilitation therapy. Despite its benefits, ReWalk has certain limitations. The high cost can make it inaccessible to some individuals. It also requires a significant amount of training and physical strength to use. It's not suitable for all types of disabilities, and users must meet specific height and weight criteria. While it's designed for various environments, users may still encounter obstacles that are difficult to navigate with the device. In conclusion, ReWalk Robotics offers a groundbreaking solution for individuals with lower limb disabilities. Despite its high cost and certain physical requirements, the benefits it provides in terms of mobility, independence, and improved health outcomes cannot be overstated. It represents a significant advancement in assistive technology and holds the potential to transform lives. As with any technology, it's essential to consider individual circumstances and needs when deciding if it's the right fit. Thank you for watching our analysis of LFWD ReWalk Robotics. We hope you found it informative and insightful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content in the future.